Hi, my name is Tina and I'm the Peculiar Artist, and today we're going to learn about a drill press. Not too much, but we're going to learn something very, very basic. This is just a small drill press, and we're going to learn how to take a bit out, how not to be afraid of it, and how to put a hole saw, this is called a hole saw bit, in it so that I can, I paint gourds and I make birdhouses. Very simple thing to do, okay? So we're gonna learn how to take this bit, I'll move this handle out of the way, right? So this handle moves this drill bit up and down, but I hope that you can see that. There's a bit right there in it, right here, see? We're gonna take that bit out. We're gonna learn how to do that, simple. And we're using this lock. This is called a key, okay? So don't get confused by the terminology. The key, it seems like we should use a key, is usually on the machine. It's right here, see? You wouldn't even see it, it's right here. So you look when someone says, oh, it's on the key, right? You look on the machine, the key is right here. And you're looking for something that has these, see this, the grinding. You have the little, I'm not good with terminology, I just know what it is, but the little wheel. So this fits into this, right? This has a wheel. See this little grit right here? And this piece right here is gonna fit in that hole right there. And then the grit, the little edges are gonna fit in there, and then we're gonna go lefty-loosey, right? And we're going to do that, and they have holes all around here. And we're gonna loosen that up, and we're gonna take that bit out. That's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna start here, right? I'm gonna get that all the way in there. You heard that click. And I'm just gonna turn back to me, okay? And look at that, I didn't even have to go all the way. Ta-da, bit out. Now, I might as well loosen the rest of it up because it's definitely not gonna fit my other bit, which is larger, right? Because a hole saw bit is larger than that kind of bit. So I'm gonna keep going and loosen that up, right? So this is a little bit different. So a hole saw is, well, I call it a hole saw. I'm probably saying it wrong. The South and the North, I've lived in the South, I'm from the North. My stuff sounds a little weird nowadays. But anyway, this goes in the center of this, and this makes our hole, okay? So this is the bit we're going to use. So it's going to drill a hole, okay, into the piece, right? But first we have to put this in here. So you notice, right? So this is gonna fit. See that hole is separate? So we're gonna put that actually up through there, right? Don't be scared of any of this. It's fine, it's easy. It's like putting a puzzle together. Girls, do not worry about a thing. It is like putting a puzzle together. Okay, so I put it through here. As I say, it's easy. It wants to get stuck on me, little punk. And I love to get a little dirty and slimy though. Okay, so there you go, you see it. See, now that's through that. And there's this, so this is gonna puncture the piece, start the hole, and then this has the teeth, see it? And it's gonna create this beautiful hole. It does the work for you. This does the work for you. You don't have to put pressure, you don't have to do the work. That's the key. So here's this. So then what we're gonna do is, you see, this has thread. So in order to secure this, because you don't want it wobbling around, you're gonna put a nut. Now these nuts come with it. They come usually on this bit. We're just gonna, no special thing needed, right? You're just gonna put it down on there, right? Tighten it up. We don't need to tighten it up like a freaking monster man or anything. Just a regular tight is fine. It just drives me nuts. Anyway, and then we're gonna put it in here. Now look, you see how I go, oh, we gotta lean that. Well, if it's too far down, right? If you're like, oh, I gotta get that down. This has a handle, I'll show you. See that handle right here? See this right here? So we just roll this, right? One way goes up, one way goes down. And it just lowers it. See how that goes? So we don't have to worry about it, right? So there you go. So then we're gonna take this, we're gonna put it all in there. Oh, look, and then we go, oh, it doesn't fit. And we go, oh, that's no big deal. We're gonna take our key again, right? We're gonna put it back in here, right? And we're going to turn it. Loosen that up some more. All right. And soon, this part, right, this is where it's gonna lock at. Oh, look at that, locks right up. That is just perfect. So don't worry about, you can see that this grip, this piece, this is in my view here for you guys. It doesn't go all the way down in the nut. That is totally fine, don't worry about that. But this is what I want you to make sure you do. At this point in this process, this has a hole on 3 sides. One here, and one on the other side. So when you go with your key to lock it back up, I want you to tighten it back up. You're gonna fit your grooves together, you know, you'll hear it when it pops in, just like a puzzle. And then make sure that you do it a little on each side, okay? It doesn't have to be, again, super tight. There we go. Now it's in. Just a couple twists on each side, right? So we have a little bit of balance going on. Yeah, so nobody's wobbling anywhere, right? We don't want to wobble, 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 wobble. I know they have that weird song, wobble, wobble, wobble. We have a weird song. Okay, so we've tightened this up. Don't do it weak, you know, it's easy. This is not hard. You know, women, we get scared of this stuff. There's no reason to be afraid. No reason to be afraid. Right. All right. That is a nice tight thing. Obviously I need to oil that, right? So then we take these, we don't want to lose these, so this key goes right back, right? Always put your key where it belongs. I'm one that says you put things back where you got them, right? So we're gonna put that bit where we found it. Make sure we put our keys back where we got them. And now I have, this is my gourd. But that is how you change a regular bit to a hole saw bit. Not too bad, huh? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like, share. Bye. Have a great day.